Hello, Dr. Alexander Danaev here from Steinway Family Dental Center. We get a lot of questions about traditional braces, and today we're going to answer some of the most common questions that we got so far. First of all, what is traditional braces and how does it work? Well, I'm sure most of you already understand the concept of it. Is basically that we have a special attachment, a bracket it's called, that is glued to the tooth, to each tooth that is in the arch, and then to that we're going to put a special wire that has a memory on it and it's trying to move the teeth back into certain position. This is just general observation on it, but there are also some sort of springs and so on, different physical objects that could be moving or pushing the teeth in a certain direction that we need to be in an ultimate finishing of the occlusion. What is the difference between the traditional metal braces and other types of braces? For example, there is braces that are done on the inside of the mouth, right, or on the outside. They similar, just one is pulling, the other one is pushing. And also there's a different type of, for example, some people don't want to see metal, they want to see white brackets, so you can get ceramic braces. That's also possible. The next bracket thing would be to get clear aligners, something that is clear, and you put a tray or a clear aligner over your teeth, and that will shift the teeth in a certain position that you want it to go to. So that is the major difference between them, that there is different type of categories. All of them work, all of them have a special purpose. Some work better for certain type of movements than others, but it is a very, very valuable and good product. How much traditional braces cost and what factor affects the price? Well, the cost of it could be between $6,000 to $13,000, and what affects it the most is whether you have insurance for it that will help you pay for it or you do not. And it could be for adults or for children, does not matter. As long as you have somebody helping you pay for it, then you just pay the difference. What determines how high the number is the difficulty of the case, the doctor and his experience, and how long is the treatment. So this is all playing factors into how much it's going to cost. What are the pros and cons of traditional braces versus lingual braces? They are inside of your mouth, on the inside of your teeth, not on the outside of your teeth, then it is more aesthetically pleasing. But at the same time, it is more difficult to move, and it also bothers your tongue a lot, right? If it's on the outside, it bothers your tongue less, but it bothers your teeth and it bothers your lips and your cheeks and so on. So both of them have some sort of discomfort. It's just what you're comfortable with. Also, the lingual braces take a little bit longer than traditional braces. How does traditional braces compare to Invisalign or clear alignment? What is the difference between them? So the difference is that clear aligners don't apply as much pressure to the teeth, and they're more effective because everything is pre-programmed. So before we start the case, we already know how long it's going to take. Now, with braces, it's usually, we can see where it's moving and we can correct it and move it and so on. With Invisalign, we know ahead of time. If we're starting today, we know exactly where we're going to finish, and at any given time during that time of the treatment, we know where your teeth is supposed to be. So that is the difference. Predictability is also pain. Invisalign programmed to apply 50% less pressure than regular braces, so therefore there's less pain, and also the treatment goes faster. What is the difference in price? Well, although Invisalign costs the doctor about 40 times more expensive than the regular braces, the price is about the same. So whether it is for a child or for an adult, the patient's out-of-pocket is going to be exactly the same. Traditional braces faster than Invisalign for straightening up teeth? The answer is no, absolutely not. Invisalign is faster. What should patient expect when getting traditional metal braces? Well, first of all, you should expect to spend some time with the doctor on the first day when they apply braces, right? There is a case study before you actually do it. There's maybe some impressions involved or some scanning involved, and then the doctor will select what he's going to do for you. Then that first day is the day when you don't get injections, but however, they're going to place something in between your teeth so they can put bands, and then after they put bands, you're going to have a separate appointment when they put all your brackets, and then they would connect it with the wire. So you should expect some discomfort after that, of course, because you have never had that before. And just be patient and make sure you brush your teeth extra. Traditional braces are still the best choice for some type of movements in the teeth movement. And the answer is yes, there are certain type of movement where that it is best to do with traditional braces than with any other choice. I hope that was answering your questions. However, if you have questions that we did not answer in this video, you can always give us a call at 718-728-3314 and schedule an appointment, or you can go on alldentalneeds.com and request an appointment. And when you come in, we'll see what your questions are and we can answer them directly to you.